Good morning. I'm tired, wore out. I gotta do a TXV in an attic. Another tech diagnosed. So, let's go get her done. Just another day in paradise. Alrighty, so first thing we're gonna do is pump this unit down. Homeowner came out, gave me the guided tour, let me know which unit I'm working on. Looks like it's been worked on before. It's got a true suction sensor on it. My pump down tool I like to use is this little climb ratcheting tool here, and then I will have these two that I always need at the end ready to go. I'll usually start with the suction side just to break it free a little bit. This is going to be a pain though, I can tell you that right now. That's just in the way. I hear a leak right here. Down. Now we just gotta turn her off. Sometimes you can slide this coil out for like easy access. That's all this here. God, look at the rust, man. I hate these straps here. Foot-pounds per whatever. You just gotta go like this. Good to go. Time for nitrogen. Nitrogen on it. Alright, so whenever I do like a nitrogen test, I know I want to do a vacuum and stuff, I just go ahead and remove these cores. I'll keep it in here like so. Then I'll get my other core removal tool. And I'll do this one. I just like to do this so when I bleed that nitrogen out, it'll blow a lot of excess oil out of that system to make that vacuum pull down just a little bit quicker. Okay, so I'll kick these back on. I usually go just doing pretty quick. I'm gonna do 200. We'll go check for leaks. .206 is what it's at. So we'll go check for leaks up there where I connected that TXV, and then we'll bump it up a little bit more and monitor it for 15 minutes. Got a bubble butt. We got a bubble. Let's see if that fixed it. Nope. Alright, we're about to let all this nitrogen out. And make sure that's sealed good. Seal failed when I was connecting it. See the seal down there? That's exactly why. All back. Oh yeah. Turn this back. Let's try again. We stopped it at about 228. It's settling right now. We're gonna go upstairs, double check, put the doors back on it, and then come back down and see where we're at. put all the doors back on, and then we'll go back down and check the pressures. Alright, doors are back on. Time to go outside and check it and put a vacuum on. We're good to go. It's holding pressure. If there is any leak, it's going to be in this condenser side. So we're ready for a vacuum. Alright, so turn on my micron gauge. Evacuation. Then I'll hook it to the suction side here. I like it on the suction side. And then we turn her on. Goes, bring it down quick. We'll be back in a little while. Let it run. I think we're good. 168 microns. I'm gonna shut it off, shut the valves, and we're gonna see if it holds. And she holding around 225. Heck yeah. So while I'm cleaning up my tools, I'll do like a visual inspection because they're not on a maintenance. I've already asked them earlier when he came out here with me, and I'll probably recommend maintenance and try to get them signed up for that because these coils are a little dirty and the inside's got debris all in it. And I'll probably recommend a leaf guard, or it's going to keep happening. So, being next to all these trees, they really need a lot of maintenance. And it's good to keep up on them. When you got oak trees and stuff nearby, especially the oak trees with the little leaves, you can see right here, they just fall down in there. And you can get the leaf guards on Amazon for like 20, 25 bucks or something. They're not expensive. Alright, let's let her run. We'll check her here in a minute. Look at this ductwork. Main plenum goes into here, right into the run, and literally tees off instantly, right all the way down. And then they have ductwork. I don't know if you can see through the gap, but coming right off the end of the plenum. They gotta have hot spots and cold spots. Crazy. Alright, so it's 70 degrees in there. I got 70 degrees coming into the unit and 50 coming out. And these are our pressures. I think the issue is possibly ductwork. I'm not sure. I'm gonna look and see everything. Disconnect this since I know it's running right, and then take my information, do square footage, a heat load calculation, make sure stuff's not oversized or this or that. So that's what we're doing right now. Make sure to put your caps back on, please.